Hello everyone, this is the Admobilize booth. Basically, we have built an audience measurement platform for retail and out-of-home advertising. Our company's headquarters is in Miami, USA. I'm in the London office. We're currently active selling our products in 72 countries and detecting over 5 billion objects on a monthly basis worldwide. So we have different solutions depending on the type of asset our clients have. For example, this is our vehicle measurement solution, usually used around road signs and billboards to measure the impact of a specific advertising site and asset for media owners. Here we have other two solutions that we provide. One is our face detection solution that can measure the engagement of a specific screen and asset and how people are actually looking or not looking at a screen, how long they are looking, the age, the gender, to actually optimize the content based on engagement and not only on assumptions, right? And our other solution is our crowd analytics, which you can see is the big square around people. That would tell you how many people is a pure people counting solution that can tell you how many people go from one side to the other, or passing from place A to place B, to actually quantify that audience with an accuracy of around 98%. So the whole platform turns out to be a great way to measure the impact of an entire platform, an entire network. You can have different pieces of asset with different pieces of the technology, everything being brought to under one roof, all provided via cloud dashboards, also via APIs that we can connect to content management system, programmatic trading platforms. So this gets together to be the most complete and accurate audience measurement platform for digital out-of-home and digital signage. For more information, visit our website, which is www.admobilize.com, and you can find us on global offices in Miami, in Latin America, and in London for Europe.